Hey, Lynn, this is the only view you gonna see right here, baby boy, right here. You hear me? Real deal.
Get shit back. Bro. I think you make 1,000. That's what I heard. And they don't look for shit.
Hey, man.
Got the.
Oh, my God. Mr. 1320 himself?
Oh my God.
Mr. 1320 himself?
When the car is off, you can literally see it. Don't be too much of a Are you ready?
He's certified.
No, we talking about the.
Where's the BMW?
Habibi said, bring out money. Habibi said, bring out money. What made that bitch tomorrow? What made that bitch tomorrow? Mustang. That's 197 single turbo part. Dude. But we hear Habibi said, bring out money. Bring out Habibi. I'm saying that your builder, he talked to you. He was obviously talking about the car. Well, y'all said come out here. Y'all can't. All one. Y'all go. Whenever y'all get that car ready, let me know. Have you not talk shit? I have a car ready. They gotta spot the injector. Please spot the injector at the trip. And y'all got a whole shop out here. Spot the injector. Come on, Jordan.
Is that my shop, bro?
Huh?
Is that my shop?
No, I see. But a whole shop can replace one injector?
Bro, is that my shop? You race 2 times a year and you talking shit. This car races 30 times a year at drifts. All y'all talking shit, y'all race 2 times a year, bro.
I'll race. You know, there's nobody racing. I'll race any car in this fucking facility. Anywhere.
Okay, now, Gotcha.
I gotta go out of town to find a race.
Okay, it ain't even that fucking deep.
It's not that deep, but Habibi talks shit.
Bro, you talking, bro. Where's the Habibi? Y'all talking about shit.
Well, I don't give no fuck what you're not from here, nigga.
You want to do some racing for the people, man? Okay, well, we got a parachute. Got a parachute here. Let's cut it out.
I have to take my taxes. I have to take my taxes.
2, 3.